tried creating a digital interior design for a client who doesn't live anywhere near you? You send your design over, they call and say, "Can you move the sofa to the left?" And now you're wondering if they mean your left or their left. By the time you figure it out, re-export the file, and send it back, 20 minutes are gone over one piece of furniture only for them to say, "the other left." Today we're gonna fix that. Hello designers, welcome back to the Planner 5D channel. Today we're looking at the collaboration tool, the feature that eliminates the constant back and forth. Whether you're working with your partner, a client, or your team, you'll see how easy it is to share ideas and make changes together. If you enjoy interior design tips, AI tools, and Planner 5D tutorials, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. And if you want to try it yourself, scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to start your free trial. Now let's get into how it works. So what exactly is the collaboration tool? Simply put, it lets multiple people work on the same project in real time. Instead of sending screenshots, exporting different versions, or wondering who has the latest file, everyone works inside one shared space and updates show up instantly. You can invite family, friends, teammates, or clients and choose whether they can just view the project or edit it with you. And that's really who this is for, anyone who isn't designing alone. Planning a home with your partner and want to decide things together instead of taking turns on one computer, working with a designer and want to give feedback without endless emails, or you're the designer making live changes during a client meeting instead of waiting days for the next round of revisions. This covers all of it and is a great way to build something together. The biggest advantage is everyone's looking at the same version as it changes, which leads to fewer misunderstandings and faster decisions. Getting started only takes a minute. First, open the project you'd like to collaborate on, then click the Share button in the project toolbar and select Share Project. From here, you have two ways to invite people. Either send over a shareable link or enter their email address. If you're inviting someone by email, you can also set their permission level. Give them view access if you just want them to explore the project, or edit access if you want them working on the design with you. And you're always in control. You can change someone's permissions, switch them from viewer to editor, or remove their access completely at any time. And that's how easy it is to collaborate in Planner 5D. Whether it's your partner, a client, or your team, this keeps everyone working together without the constant back and forth. If you'd like to try it, you can scan the QR code on the screen or check the link in the description for your free trial. Before you go, please let me know in the comments what you think of my new living room/set. I designed the whole room in Planner 5D and have an entire video coming soon about the process from start to finish. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss that video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.